Hello and welcome to the ProLine demonstration video. My name is Richard, and in this demo, I'll show you the introduction to the trade accounts. First, you launch the ClearMind system, then log in using your ID and password. Now from the menu, you can see there's a label system, and you click on the trade accounts. Okay, here we have some sample of the records, and you can edit the accounts. But what we do is we're going to create a new trade account. So you see there's a new button at the bottom. Just click on new. And first you can key in the account name. Let's say you can use the check name button to check whether the account name is already exists or there's a similar name. So okay, from here we can see that there's no similar account name, and we can keep using it. You can give an abbreviation for your own identification. Now what we have here is you can select the account type, whether it's a client, the prospect, the supplier, introducer, the sales, the contractor, or the technician. There is a special feature for clients, which is the auto number. If it's supplier, there's no feature for the auto number, so you cannot use the auto number and you have to key in your own code for the account number. You can select the category, whether it's a company or an individual. And the Malaysian ringgit, currency, Singapore dollar, US dollar, or Hong Kong. This is all this currency is predefined. Incorporation, the type, whether it's a local incorporated foreign or the local incorporated foreign company. Okay, and then the industry, and the nature of the business. So right here we just put SIT, and by default the status is enabled. If the account is no longer active, you can select to or choose to disable it, and you can select the customer since whatever date it is. Okay, then we have grouping. The account handler is the salesperson or the contact person. So just select. The assistant is the assistant to the main account handler. Can select the introducer if there's any, and the referral account, as well as the holding account. For contact details, you can key in the person's name, salutation from the menu. Okay. Key in the address. The zip code, the state within Malaysia. Well, if it's Singapore, there's a unique one named Singapore. And the area, if it's within Malaysia. Or you can select outstation if it's applicable. Okay, the occupation, the email address, and you need to key in either one of these, the contact number. It's either the office, the fax, the house, or the handphone. Then you select gender. Okay. This account department context is only used for the reporting. So if there's a different contact person from the current contact details, you can key in. and you can specify the bank account which they use. So once it's all done, you just click on the update button and the account is successfully created. In case of any changes, you can click on the update or to delete this account. So let's say if there's any amendment to the account, you can update the account. If the account is no longer in use, you can choose to delete it by pressing the delete button. You're browsing to the correct account and click delete. Now for example, if you have an account which had some transaction, you may not, and you're not allowed to delete the transaction. As you can see, there's an error here. The account in use cannot change because it's in use. So any accounts which had a transaction, you may not delete it. Otherwise, the data will be inconsistent.